For the first time over 3 years now. Wow. This guy is a chopper. I've watched one of his clips. And some people said I should bring this guy to Spanner again and try him and Spanner again. This one is Bama, this one is Spanner. You know, it's Spaba, Bama, it sounds same. So now we have 10 fufu. Actually, we wanted to make this thing 15. But we decided to do it 10. Let's see how it will go. So I don't know if you're ready.
Spanner, are you ready?
Spanner, are you ready?
Okay.
Spanner, do your thing, oh. Try to do your thing.
No, nah.
Alright. Let's see.
I just do that.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you ready? Start!
Spanner. Let's go.
Jesus. Jesus.
Let's go and see Arnold. You see Arnold. They're down.
Wait.
This did not happen. This did not happen. My God. Bama, Bama, wait till you carry on. Blood of God.
Jesus.
Blood of God.
Jesus.
This one.
Baba, wait first. Wait.
This is a triumphant.
Spanner. This guy we know.
Yes, no. I give him
Mama, hey.
It is swallowed once and more once.
Now Spanner.
What's happening now?
Spanner is always the winning guy. Spanner don't agree. Spanner don't agree at all. Bro. I'm not serious now.
You have seen that. Now you swallow both the nylon. I didn't show no hand about the nylon.
The story clear for you.
Hey!
Guys, ladies and gentlemen.
We have second spanner.
Wow, I'm short of words. Hey,
Bam spam.
Baba, boss. Hey, guys. Hey, this is another spanner. You know, spanner has reigned like for a very long time. This is my first time of seeing someone that challenged spanner this much. Oh. God. Hey. Well, guys, ladies and gentlemen, the game is over, but I still don't really understand what happened. But
second leg. Second leg.
Hey, guy, what's up? Where are you from? Ogun State. Alright, guys, thank you so much. Spanner, thank you for. You've done well. Shake him now. This is the only person who don't challenge you. Over 3 years now.
But I don't give you.
Oh, you can't. Wow, guy, Bama win. spanner. For the first time over 3 years now. Wow, 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 wow.
They chop.
Guy, they chop.
They chop.
They chop.
They chop.
All right, thank you so much and God bless you.